into the water, you should be able to see them swimming around. Brilliant, look at that. And imagine 1,000 of those. You can see why I just stripped the flesh off a human in seconds. Razor sharp teeth. And this guy's pretty well dead, and he still has the power to go straight through this.
It's essential piranha are cooked thoroughly because they carry harmful parasites.
I've got a little cooking rack here, and then wrapped in these leaves, I've got my piranha that I've caught, and these should be ready now. And look, there you go, those are those nasty teeth grinning away at me. But that smells great. So I'm gonna put that onto this leaf here. And it's so nice just actually having a bit of time now to cook this properly and get something really decent to eat. For such an aggressive, unpleasant fish, it doesn't half taste good.
Here in the Sahara, make sure you don't get bitten by this, the horned viper. They can be as long as 3 foot, and their venom poisons your blood, causing hemorrhaging and heart failure.
Okay, got it. And there you go, you can just see the head there. But you want to be really careful. Even after you've taken the head off, you want to be careful. That's still got all its hemotoxic venom in its mouth. And you never just want to leave a snake's head out in the open after you've cut it off. You want to either burn it or bury it. And look, his body's still wriggling around. But this is a nasty brute and a killer of a snake. But I'm going to eat him.
You just peel back the skin, gut it,
And that's all the guts coming out the middle there.
wrap it around a stick, and cook it over the fire.
Okay, let's have a look at this, Mohammed. You don't want to burn this, because actually, it's really beautiful meat. Merci, Mohammed. Je vais le manger.
Bon appétit.
Merci.